So you want to have the TikToker hairstyle, the haircut that, you know, there's different variations of, but still the number one thing is getting this hair to flip up and to have that kind of movement and that texture throughout the front here. So the first thing you need to understand is the haircut itself. The haircut itself is important because you need to have a little bit of length throughout the hair here. If you have no length or no bangs here, and if it's not layered, you're not going to be able to achieve that type of look. Also, keep in mind the hair on top. So the hair on top here is actually a bit long. So this is, I would say, about 4 inches long. And it all has to come forward to help kind of push against this other hair down through here. So it's creating kind of like a wall of hair, if that makes any sense. So all this comes forward and then it's pushed up because this is going up against this. So it's almost like creating a wave, all right? Now, how do you go about doing that? And I know I've done a lot of videos on this, but I do have some exciting news that this is the first time I'm going to be sharing this. So I suggest doing this when the hair is wet, right, or damp, because that's going to be your best bet. Tidal Wave, right here, it's our #1 selling product. Tidal Wave, it's a sea salt spray. It's got incredible texture and it's perfect, just the right amount of texture to create some hold throughout the hair. So you spray 4 to 5 spritzes throughout the hair when it is wet, or when it's like damp. Then I just kind of leave that. Then what I'll do is I'll take my brush. This is a TikToker ceramic round brush. The great thing about this is it's got the ionic and ceramic technology. I had these specifically made to have both of that in the brush or on the brush. And what that means is that while you're blow drying the hair, it's helping prevent frizzing, static, and it's also got the heat protection. So when you're using this, it's a lot more gentle on the hair and it's great to work with. Then obviously you need a blow dryer, which I do have blow dryers, and this is a prototype of an updated version. Now it's magnetic, right? So the new batch of dryers will be coming in within the next month, and it's going to be a magnetic strip here that or attachment. Comes with this and a diffuser, which is great. And it also folds in half, so it's good for travel. But this is the prototype. It's been tested, it's been approved, and they're being made as we speak. So you need a blow dryer. Then the key is to take the hair into the brush, bring it down, up, and around like that. All right, and that is how you're going to get all this in throughout the front here. Let's just turn this on. I'll put it on low heat or low speed. So there, I'm bringing this forward, and then what I'm doing is I'm turning and locking in with the blow dryer, turning and locking in. I'm only gonna, if I'm gonna hold it, it's gonna be for a few seconds. And that's how you prevent the heat damage, okay? That's how you prevent the heat damage, where you bring this down and only let the heat sit on there for a few seconds. Let's go back on this side. Again, it's much easier to do this while the hair is wet and damp. But if you are interested in doing this while it's dry, it's not going to be the end of the world. It's still doable. It's just, there we go. It's easier to do it when it's wet. Now, here is the biggest part of this video and the most excited, I'm most excited about this. So here, ladies and gentlemen, I'm presenting to you, this is the first time I'm debuting this, the updated, upgraded, new packaged, locked hairspray. So now you're getting 10 ounces in this hairspray right here. This is the updated version. Before it was 8 ounces. Now it's 10 ounces, okay? And it's such a clean, simple packaging. And also now it contains a lot more healthier ingredients for your hair, organic extracts, things that are just much, much better for your hair compared to the last lock. Doesn't mean the last lock was bad. Great hairspray. We just made some incredible updates to it. Now for the best part is the hold, okay? I made sure it had slightly more hold, but still has that matte finish. It's not like a traditional strong holding hairspray. It's still very workable, still very pliable. As you can see, a really, really light mist, all right, a light mist that goes onto the hair beautifully, and once you get it on, there it is. You have a little more working power with this, which is what I love about it. So you're gonna get a lot more instant hold, which you need for this hairstyle, but it still has that matte finish. And the mist is a little more on the finer side right up front, but then as it dries and it settles into the hair, it then becomes just like that. You've got a little more hold, a little more texture to it, still a matte finish, and I'm telling you, this hairspray is incredible. So it's now available, and I'm really, really in love with this. Now, if you are interested in getting these products, right, this is called the TikToker Hairstyle Kit. Many of you know this, many of you have purchased it, but it's the TikToker Hairstyle Kit. You can purchase all these three together, unfortunately only in the United States because of the hairspray. So you can also buy each one of these items individually, all right? If you just want the locked hairspray, the updated lock, then you can get it. If you just want the tidal wave or the brush, you can get them on their own, and that's totally cool. If you do want to purchase, you can use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20, an exclusive discount code for you here on YouTube, and it's free shipping on order values with the code of over $50. So you're gonna really have some great savings with these products, and this is it. I mean, look at the hair is there. It's now it has a bit more staying power, like I mentioned. But if you do have to go in and then reshape it, right? It goes right through the hands, and look how much more pliable and look how much more volume you're getting just from this hairspray. Whereas before with the previous lock, it was still good, but look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. It was a really, really big change we decided to make, and it's all for the better. More product, better hold, better ingredients. This is phenomenal, and it's stylist approved. Me as a stylist, I'm using it right here, and I love it. So thank you for watching. Let me know if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you soon.